Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, someone was telling me that that old BMW mat was a bit flashy. So just for time being, I just switched to the very first mat I ever used. This is with this only we actually improved our channel a little bit. So this is actually a PlayStation mat. It's the official PlayStation mat. These are PlayStation logo, and here in this bottom part actually it says PlayStation. So I think I bought this in Geek something. There is a shop called, what is that one? It is in Bangalore also. Geek Monkey. Okay, sorry, it is Geek A. That shop's name is Geek A. They are famous for this gaming accessories kind of thing. So this I bought, I think, more than 2 years back, if I'm not wrong. So I bought this. So I just thought of getting this back on and see how it do how much different looks now, because we changed the setup a lot now. So let's see. Okay, with that said, let's start with this week's unboxing, and more specifically today's unboxing, which is this one. This is that I think 2010 Toyota Tundra. Okay, that does look really nice. Okay, this I got for MRP, which is 299. I bought this entire set. So this is the silver line series, so which comes around 299. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what is an in general, what's the difference between a main line or and this in general this silver line series or any 299 series, most of the time it will be the paint job. Like usually in the Hot Wheels has mostly like uh, three-sided paint job, like 1 2 and 3, or 1 2 and 3, something like that will be there. So usually the 299 series has all side details, and on top of that, some cars, very handful of cars, actually has both metal body and metal chassis as well. So that's the difference. For that, I mean, for that one side extra paint, you are actually paying 100 rupees more. That, to be very honest, that's the truth. And nothing much. They mostly chrome out everything, and honestly, I don't even like a lot of chromed out, chassis. Sometimes it just takes away the appeal of the car. Okay, so let's talk about this casting now. Let me just put this away. Okay, so here is the first look. Okay, so I said this multiple times because see, glossy black, if it is done right, then it is going to look really beautiful. But if it is done for the sake of doing that particular paint job, then it is going to look totally like a shit job. So here it is a okay job, I can say. Okay, it has headlight details, and you can see the Toyota logo here, and everything here is chromed out, and you can see the tail light details also here, and you can see the Toyota Tundra, that uh, for lettering here. So the livery is very simple. I think this is true to this particular truck. I think so. I never actually saw. I never seen a Toyota Tundra in real life. Maybe once, but not in this particular color. Okay, so the wheels looks good. This feels, actually this is new for me, because I whatever I own so far, it never had this particular set of rims. So this is actually totally new to me. This looks okay. It is not too cool or anything compared to the other rims which they actually use for this particular series. And you can see the sunroof here, and you can see the interior also here. So I really wish they chromed out the interior instead of chroming out the chassis. Because if you are chroming out the interior, that would look really nice, especially if you're taking a photograph of your, or if you're even just looking at it. And okay, so this part in the bed, this is also plastic, that is not metal. So this is very light for the size it is having. And this part here, the fender and everything, this part is also plastic, that is not metal. So apart from that, okay, you can see the chassis does very little bit of detailing to it, but nothing much. Okay, let's weigh this casting and see how much it actually weighs. So I'm a bit curious because it is not really that heavy. Okay, 36 grams. Okay, a typical mainline weight, I can say. So I'm not sure if this will fit this track, but let's try. Yeah, that is not going to fit the track. Okay. It doesn't have any wheel wobble, but if you are having any wider track, you can actually play with this one in the track. But I'm not sure. But it is not rolling that fast, but it is not creating much of a noise. Maybe because of this mat, I guess. Let me just see. Yeah, that is actually nice. Actually, I just pushed this from outside of the mat. It just climbed up the mat, on top of the mat to be exact. So okay, let's rate this casting now. So the black paint job, this time they did it okay. Okay, one more thing is this casting actually has the rear view mirrors. That is really a nice addition. And even this door handles are really good. That is not just painted; it is actually engraved. So but only issue I'm having is, as usual, you can see the scratches in the windshield. So I'm used to it by now. So I don't know. Okay, so as you guys know, while we are rating, we are not going to consider these scratches because this might be only for me, not for you guys. So we usually take the common things in consideration when it comes to rating. So let's rate this casting now. So when detailing wise, it has all the sides of detailing and nothing is missed out here. So we are good on that part. And casting wise, it looks really good, and it does roll good. I mean, maybe not on the track. It doesn't fit the track, but I I tried pushing it from the desk on top of the mat, and it climbed on top of that. It even reached that end with a little bit of push. So we are good there also. So I would rate this 10 out of 10. I don't see any issues with it. So even the issues which I'm having, that is specifically for my casting, which I'm having right in front of you guys in my hand. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.